Chelsea and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick potato salad that'll go perfectly with that seafood gumbo that we taught you how to make. I'll put the link below to the seafood gumbo if you haven't seen that video yet, and go check it out. So let's see what we need to get started. I used about 3 pounds of red potatoes. I just like the way they taste. You can use golden, you can use your favorite potato. I like the way red boils up and tastes in a potato salad. You'll need some mayo. I used Chosen avocado based, but if you're a Duke's Girl, Blue Plate, Hellman's, your favorite mayo will work just fine. Some sea salt, parsley. Of course, I'm going to throw a little bit of smoked paprika in there. It's going to give it a nice color and taste. I may add a little celery salt. I'm actually going to put some bacon in this one, and you'll need 2 boiled eggs. So this is what, let me move this out of the way so you can see. This is what your potatoes should look like after they've been boiled. And I did cut them into bite-sized chunks. Let me just set this over here out of the way. And just depends on the consistency that you want for your potato salad. But I prefer kind of a chunky, not creamy like mashed potatoes. So I really do eyeball all of this. So I'm just going to sprinkle some paprika on here. Let's go for some parsley. Parsley just really doesn't affect the flavor very much. It just makes it look good. And we'll do some salt. So I'm really adding, as you can see, all of the dry ingredients first. Let me slide this over here, and I'm going to crack these eggs real quick and show you a cute egg trick that I learned. I don't know about you, but I have learned to use my Instapot to make boiled eggs, and it is just fantastic. They come out perfect like this one every time. So just, yeah, you saw me. I dropped the whole egg in there. Don't fear. I'll show you what to do with that. Okay, the second one. So now take a fork and you're going to just mash down on that egg on the side of your bowl. And it's going to break up because you want it pretty small. So you don't have to get out your fancy egg slicer or anything like that. Just use a fork. So that's my tip for the day, my trick. Okay, so this is what your basics are going to look like before we add the mayo. So let me get the mayo going. And again, all of this, I just want you to eyeball it and decide how creamy you want it and how seasoned. So I'm going to start with a couple of healthy spoonfuls. And really just depending on the moisture content of the potatoes, it's going to determine how much mayo I want to add. So I can tell already I'm going to need to add some more. But not too much. It's actually coming together pretty good. Looking nice. And you know what? I forgot a major component to this. All right, here's the ingredient I forgot. Mustard. You need a little mustard. You can use yellow. I'm using Dijon because I like it. I like the way it tastes. That's probably enough. So you're going to mix that in. Oops. I guess Marcello's going to get a treat. He'll eat anything. So this is looking really good. So now, y'all know me, I've got the tasting spoon handy, and I'm going to just see what I need to add, if anything. I've got the celery salt Over here, a lot of people put celery in their potato salad, which I'm going to see if we need it, or maybe we need some more salt. Let me take a taste. I don't think I'm going to add a thing. I'm just going to mix it up a little bit more, put it in a bowl, throw it in the refrigerator, and then we'll be serving this tonight with gumbo. Thanks everybody. I'll put the recipe below and also the links to the gumbo video. And I also want to thank you guys for just watching the Muffalata video. My gosh, that's gone crazy. And I'll put that link below too. Thanks everybody. Have a great afternoon.